Hi, I'm Victoria Azarenka. I was born in Minsk, Belarus. My dream as a child was to be a professional tennis player and become #1. One of my earliest and best memories when I was growing up playing tennis was when I set my record playing against the wall. I did 1,460 shots, so that was pretty, it's kind of stuck out in my memory. One of the biggest challenges I had to overcome was when I had my knee surgery, and you know, the health is the most important, so when this gets in the way you kind of have second thoughts if you're going to be able to get back and play your full time again. So that was one of the biggest challenges I had to overcome. Just try to think always that something's going to be better and everything happens for a reason. My dream was to become #1 and winning Grand Slam. And once I achieved that, now I just don't want to stop. I want to keep going and try to win more Grand Slams and stay as long as I can at the #1 spot. Outside of tennis, I would like to, I kind of have a dream of becoming an actress in one leading role. I also wanted to be a rock star, but that's kind of, it's done already. I have no voice. Dreams matter because when you achieve them, it's all worth it.